Okay, guys, this is part 2. I'm still in the same spot. It's still 9 o'clock because I'm going to try to beat this whole game. I'm literally sitting on a chair in the dark in the living room, charging my phone while I'm playing. So, yeah, it's kind of complicated. Come on. And that stupid glitch. Bark, bark. Come on, are you guys stuck again? They were. Gosh. Okay. That one looks scary. I can already tell. There you go. Thanks. Okay, I have all 5, right? Yeah. There's a fox? Real? I thought foxes were big. No. No, no, no. Come back here. So, I have to hide in the, bushes. That's... Oh, it saw me. How did it not see me? Okay, look. See, if this dumb bush wasn't here, I would be able to do it better. Look, bush. Bark for my babies. Great. Dang it! Come back here, you nasty little hairball. I'm scared. Are my pups still there? Okay, good. Pups? I think they're cubs or something. Come on, mama. My babies are hungry. This might be the part where I get it. God damn. Come on, pups. I don't... Which one looks great? All of them do, except that one. So... Come on, if I could just get a fox, that would fill all of their bellies up quickly. I need to sneak. Gosh, this is so hard. Stupid little foxy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. It's too hard. Where is it even running to? There was an apple tree back there. Should I go? Yeah, I'm gonna go get it. My babies are starting. Bart. Oh, there's 2. Are they coming or not? Oh, there they are. Yeah, they're so small I can barely see them. Okay, one is eating that one, so... There we go. Okay, good. I still have all 5, right? No, I really got it. I'm gonna go and try and get that fox. Well, let me grab some food on the way. I don't know which way it went. There's 2, that's good. Because my baby's a freaking hungry drop. There you go. First, I'm gonna check this way. No, it's not. It didn't go this way because if it did, I would have seen it right there. So it went this way. Whoa! So this is how we hide in the bushes to sneak up on prey. Okay. The fox never got right. Are they stuck again? These things get stuck way easy. Okay. Oh no. Don't tell me. There's a freaking bird that's gonna snatch up my baby. Oh my god. No. How am I gonna do this? Oh my god, I can see it. This is so scary, bro. No. Hold on, if I die or my babies die, I'm gonna click the save button real quick. Okay. No. Bro, I am so scared. What if it snatches one of my babies? Oh god. No. Okay, I looked in it. I didn't see my babies. I need to count them again. I need to count them. No, I'm so scared. Please don't tell me it snatched my babies up. I need to count, but it's glitchy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can see one right there. 4. No, it did! The hawk took one of my babies. Now I only have 4. You can't. Oh my god. No, you can't do this to me. You can't do it to me. No! My baby! Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. My baby! Okay, as soon as the hawk passes, we need to run. Hurry up, babies. Please, get in. This is so friggin'. Okay, stay hidden. And then I'm gonna go to that bush, right? What I'm staring at. I just have to wait for it to come by again. Okay. Hurry up. Okay. So basically we have to stay hidden in the bush and try to find a way, like, somewhere safe. But I'm still so upset. It took my freaking baby. Wait, I don't know for sure. When I get safe, I'm gonna count them. Okay, come on, hurry. Oh my god. Oh, okay, let's go. Crouch while you walk. It's like a crouch walk. Oh my god, the music. What was that? Bro, don't tell me. No. Oh wait. Okay, they're all still safe with me. Babies. Please, you just have to... I'm so scared right now. Should we go in now? I'm guessing we have to, like... This is so scary. I can't believe... hopefully it didn't take my baby. This is so, like... Oh my god. Now. Go. Please. Just wanna hope you're all... I think we have to go up there. Shh, baby. Okay, I know one of them is the baby. Gosh, no! Why do I keep clicking that? I hate it. I'm gonna have to end it here again because I can only do videos for like 12 minutes, 10 minutes. But part 3 will be soon, so bye-bye.